Hi friends! How are you? For the first time, little super girl is doing an unboxing video. Thumbs up, share, subscribe. I can see something, but I don't know what is inside. Let's open and see. Kids under 3 years old is not allowed. Friends, let's open the frozen set. Let me open it. Friends, wow, look at this. It's so beautiful. Wow. Friends, first let's take the pouch. Look at this. Friends, look. Let me open it. There is one side here and one side here. There is two sides for my pencil and eraser. Wow, it's super. Friends, wow, it's a book. Let me open the book. Wow, friends, look at this. It's so beautiful. Look. Okay, friends. Friends, what's this? Friends, it's a pencil. Wow. Wow. Friends, I'm putting here. It's a pencil. Friends, what is this? Oh, it's a pencil lead. Look at this. Let me put in the side. Friends, it's an eraser to erase. When I write something, look, there is Elsa and Olaf here. And Elsa and Anna. Let me put here. Friends, it's a sharpener. The sharpener's color is blue. Friends, look. It's so beautiful. Friends, next is two pencils. What is this? Oh, it's a cap for the pencil. Let me put it. Look, friends. Look. There is an Elsa. There is an Elsa here. Let me put it. Friends, look. It's so write my name. Let me use this pencil. Blank, blank, blank. Oh, okay, friends, I will write my name. Friends, look, I write little super my